Self-discipline plays an important role in our life. It can bring us a lot of benefits. Let's know about the story of a girl's self-discipline. When Lily was in grade 7, she was crazy about watching TV. Therefore, she didn't go out and lay on the sofa to watch TV. She also stayed up late. From then on, she put on weight and often felt tired, so she usually slept in class. At last, she couldn't put her heart into study. Both her parents and teachers were very angry with her. Since then, she realized what she was doing and made up her mind to change it. She decided to give up watching TV and did sports. She realized the importance of self-discipline. Then she developed the habit of self-discipline. Now she becomes full of energy every day and often gets good grades in study. From this, we know that self-discipline can help us change and improve ourselves. If we have it, our life will become better.